You find a bargain online. When you go to collect your purchase, you are staring down a gun. That happened in Inyanga when a couple went to collect a PlayStation 5 they found on Facebook. They left with no money and deep trauma.
So how do scammers trap you and how can you avoid it?
The man in Midrand paid a 10,000 Rand deposit for a car on Facebook Marketplace, but did not take the time to go and check it out. The seller vanished with his money. The red flags to look out for are when people put pressure on you to pay before you see the item. When the price is too good to be true, it probably is. Or when the person only accepts EFT to a personal account.
If it's real, you can meet in public, check out the item and or verify the seller online.
South Africans receive SMS messages claiming to be from Ram Couriers, the Courier Guy or Postnet. The message says, your package is waiting. Pay 16 Rand 13 cents for delivery. The obvious red flags here are that you were not expecting a delivery. They want payment via SMS link and the payment amount is small, so you don't think about it before acting.
Never click those links. Go to the courier website yourself. Call the official number.
Another scam to watch out is for fake online stores that initially look legit. They offer huge discounts, only accept EFT payments, and once you pay, your money is gone and no product is delivered.
Check the website's address and rather type it out yourself. Pay by credit card or pay fast only, not EFT.
What should you do if you are scammed? 1. Call your bank. 2. Report it to the South African Police Services. And 3. Save your proof of purchase.
60 seconds of checking can save you a fortune. Follow these simple rules to turn talk to action.